up? Are you still in your dreamland? Get raised, guy. Well, guess what? I have a very interesting video for you. It will get rid of your boredom. Let's watch together.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Fever Studio. I am incredibly thrilled to share my first VR headset experience with you guys today. So let's talk about the Oculus Quest. Yeah, well, now you may wondering about Quest 2 and Quest 3, which are also available in the market. However, I will be focusing on my experience with the original Quest in this video. I have heard from reviewers mentioning that the new releases have minor improvements only, suggesting that if you are having a Quest 1, can continue with that. So, let's find out whether it's true or not. After 4 years of its release, see what the wonders it's doing. I have heard some occasional VR gaming experiences with friends before, but I'm expecting some surprises with the Quest. In this video, I will break down two aspects: the fantastic features and what are the areas it needs to improve. So, welcome guys. If you are new here, make sure hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest tech reviews and gaming news. Now let's dive right into the world of virtual reality with the Oculus Quest. First of all, the Quest is incredibly sleek and compact. The touch controllers have a good grip, although the design was initially new to me, taking a bit of time to get used to. Setting up the Oculus Quest is breeze. It's a standalone VR headset with no complicated setups. It asks you to set the play area first, requiring minimum 6.5 feet space, which is a great safety feature, especially when you are immersed in the in-depth gameplay. The touch controller setup is displayed in the glass, and configuring your dancing fingers is surprisingly fun. Initially, it takes some time to get used to, but once you are accustomed, you can even play the air piano, controlling the device with your fingertips. Once everything is set up, you are ready to enter the massive world of virtual reality. For the first-time users, the experience is truly breathtaking. The Quest offers fantastic viewing experiences, whether you are playing game, watching 360-degree videos, YouTube content, or 3D movies, whatever you name it. The store boasts a plethora of games covering various categories. While some are trials, most games are priced between $7 to $40, and there is no shortage of content to explore. The casting feature is highlight. You can record your gameplay on your mobile and share your virtual adventures with others. It's a great way to showcase what you are experiencing inside the headset. Comfort-wise, it is advisable to play in air-conditioned room to prevent excessive sweating around your eyes. However, there are few aspects that could be better. The Quest demands a very strong Wi-Fi connection. A weak connection can test your patience. Additionally, there are no free games. Everything comes at a cost. Although trial versions are available, some are for 30 minutes. Games can only be downloaded from the Quest store, limiting your options to download multiple games from different sources. The headset is a bit heavy, and prolonged use might strain your neck. The joystick movements can be buggy, sometimes hitting unintended targets and forcing you to restart. Some of the games you can experience the motion sickness, so be aware of that before selecting the fast-moving games. In conclusion, the Oculus Quest is undeniably a game-changer in the world of virtual reality, guys. Its standalone capabilities, impressive performance, extensive game library, and relatively comfortable design make it one of the best VR headsets in the market. Whether you are a VR enthusiast or a newcomer, the Quest delivers an immersive and unforgettable gaming experience. Its portability is another plus, allowing you to enjoy VR everywhere you go. Quest 2, available less than $100 than this Quest 1. So out there. So it's up to you. If you are not owning any Quest at the moment, it is better to go with Quest 2 as well. And that wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I would love to hear about your experience with the Oculus Quest in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next exciting video. Bye bye.